Today, we're excited to unveil the unboxing of the iSG Smart Home Gateway. Upon opening the box, the first thing we see is the user manual, followed by the iSG device itself, and at the very bottom, a box containing the accessories. We'll take each item out and lay them on the table. Before you start setting up your iSG, please make sure to read through the user manual carefully. Removing the iSG from its protective bag, we can see its screen, which is as reflective as a mirror, adding a touch of elegance. Next, we open the accessories box, which includes a stand, a Zigbee dongle, and a power adapter. First, we plug the USB dongle into the USB port on the back of the iSG. Then, we connect the power adapter. After that, we attach the stand to the bottom of the iSG using the magnetic connection, which makes the setup incredibly simple. Now that everything is ready, let's power up and boot the device. After turning it on, the system will prompt you to connect to your home Wi-Fi. Click Connect. Select your home Wi-Fi network. Note that the iSG only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, then enter your Wi-Fi password. Once connected, click the back button at the bottom of the screen to return to the iSG login homepage. You can choose either the US or European server. If you have already registered via the LinknLink app, simply log in with your email and password on the sign-in page. If you haven't registered yet, click Sign Up to proceed with the registration process. Once logged in, you can start enjoying the iSG's smart home capabilities.